presentation is going to cover the strengths of 3 different selection methods. The first one is curriculum vitae, or CV. This is a very common and widely used selection method. It provides info relevant to the role, such as your skills, experience, and qualifications. And this is a strength because past performance can predict future performance. It's also really easily put together by candidates, and there are many online tools and resources available out there to help people put them together. There's a moderate level of predictive validity. This means there's a moderate level of being able to predict actual job performance, which is quite good. And also they are quite a cost-effective way of screening candidates and putting a shortlist together. The second selection method is the interview. This is quite a commonly used approach, and if it's structured and planned, has several strengths. Some of these are its increased reliability if all candidates are asked the same questions, and this is fair for the candidate as well. You can include lots of questions, behavioural based, as well as technical and job specific. If there's a panel interview, this is a strength as you can get different perspectives, and also this can reduce bias. And the other strength is that you can use a rating scale with the interview, which reduces subjectivity and bias. A third selection method is the assessment centre. I've personally experienced an assessment centre for a specialist role. They can be good for specialist or management roles. There is the ability to review a group of candidates all at once, which I think is a strength. And you can include several different selection methods during the assessment. So for example, in the one that I participated in, we had a group problem solving activity. We each had to do a short presentation, and we had to do role plays to look at our conflict management skills. There's a moderate level of predictive validity, so a moderate level of being able to predict actual job performance, which I think is a strength. They can be expensive, but I think based on my experience, they can be worth it to get through a group of candidates all at once.